Hey guys, thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be testing out my new GoPro, and I tweaked with the settings a little bit, and I'm trying that out today. And I got a new piece of editing software, which I'm pretty excited about. It has a lot of features that I need to learn, and it's much better than the one I was using before. So I'm pretty excited to dive into that. Anytime you're using a new piece of software, there's a million buttons you gotta become accustomed to and figure out the different tricks and secrets within the software. And probably going to be watching some YouTube videos to see what other people are doing and help me out with my video editing. And I hope you enjoy this scenery. This is a forest road that I ride every week, and I really love this road. It's a lot of fun. Usually there's a lot of hikers and stuff on the weekend, so you gotta be careful, but it's really a lot of fun. It's a nice little ride. And I'm not going to be talking much about anything in particular. Just wanted to test out the GoPro and let me know what you guys think, whether it looks good, if I'm on the right track. I'm recording the audio for this separately, obviously. I tried yesterday to talk while riding, and I started getting this weird echo, and I think that's caused from the housing on the GoPro, but I'm not quite sure yet. I need to keep doing some research and see what other people say if they've had the same problem. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this ride, and until next time.